everyone. Today I am going to be talking about Bloom's taxonomy. Alright, I'll be covering the original Bloom taxonomy, the revised version, and also the digital taxonomy. So this was created by an educational psychologist called Benjamin Bloom. The main focus of his taxonomy is to improve student learning and thinking. So it starts from knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Here you can see that in the diagram that I've shown. So it starts from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills. Again, it covers 3 domains: cognitive domain, psychomotor domain, and also affective domain. Okay, cognitive domain is basically a mental skills or knowledge. Psychomotor is manual physical skills itself. And then affective domain is the growth in feeling or emotional areas, which is the attitude. So what Bloom when Bloom started this, okay, he started with knowledge, okay, the broad case, which is at the lower part of the pyramid, which is where you discover, observe, and then you go to comprehension, you understand it, and then you apply it in application analysis by identifying. You use all concepts through synthesizing, and at the end you assess it, okay, by evaluation. So this is what was introduced in 1956, and then in the year 2001, 4 other researchers rearranged it. All right, as you can see here, they rearranged it from noun to verb forms. Okay, the words have also changed, if you can see in this picture. So why was it important? Because education is something that progresses along, right? It's an evaluation, evolution itself. All right. They realized that students were getting more knowledgeable. Right, they took learning on their own. Okay, and then they started developing higher order thinking skills with the aid of a teacher. So in revised Bloom taxonomy, it starts with remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and then you create. Right, this is the tip of it. So this is what that is practiced mostly in schools today. So it's the same thing. The higher order thinking is analyze, evaluate, create, whereas the lower order is remembering, understanding, applying. Usually, if like for any subjects, for example maths, you'll have to remember certain formulas, then you understand how those formulas work, and then you apply them in your equation, and then you analyze it through solution, evaluate, and then you create at the end. All right, so either you create the machine or you create an equation to solve the problem. So as we move on to the 21st century, all right, it moves on to Bloom's digital taxonomy. All right, if you see, the verbs are still the same, remembering, creating, but it's applied differently. All right, this can be done digitally. All right, from bookmarking, journaling, calculating, mind mapping, grading, and also logging. So if you see, the taxonomy has evolved from 1956 to now and is applicable to all generations. So that is my take on Bloom's taxonomy.